with another Brawl Stars video. So guys, I'm with Destroy Whitey.
Hey guys, so what we're going to do today is we're going to rank the best brawlers of each rarity. And one point, we won't be ranking chromatic and starters, as there are only one of each rarity. So let's start.
Okay guys, so the first best Trophy Road brawler from my opinion is Ems.
Probably Ems. She has a lot of DPS and her health is fine, her super is good, but the best is her gadget.
Yes.
Friend Zoner is really strong. The thing is, they shouldn't have buffed it, nerfed it.
Okay guys, so let's begin.
So let's begin.
What are you going to take, Destroyer?
I'm taking Carl.
Okay. Duo match.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, let's start.
Okay.
Yeah.
This map is for long range brawler, but still it's okay.
Ems is medium range, so that's a good thing. But like all Trophy Road brawlers, Ems has a weakness.
If somebody comes close to him.
If somebody gets close to Ems, then
Kill! Oh! Oh!
Yeah, she's dead.
I think you should know. Okay, no. You have to just kill that Sandy. Sandy's strong too.
Wait. Come back.
She has 1416 hit points.
Yeah. Oh.
Sleep simulator. Just for my safety. Okay. Oh wow. Just. Is that? Crushed. Yes. Okay, we have to be careful for that Daryl.
Yes. Daryl is a really good counter to Ems if he has a super. He can
Yes.
roll on the Ems easily.
Even Motus with Cold Snake.
Yep. So Ems
Okay.
only has a few counters. Ems is really good against
Now we have to
most
kill
tanks.
the Nita again.
Ems is good against bear paws.
Oh, Hyper Bear. Oh, I
Okay,
get
yeah, I think it's fine. Yep.
I need to heal up a
5
bit.
gems.
Why is the meteor? Oh, I died.
The meteors hate thunder. Yeah.
Run.
Yeah, I think I should roll away.
Yes. That cold. Nothing will happen. Just touch it.
I have no idea what to do now.
2, 1.
Yep.
I'm not there.
Ooh, okay. Yeah,
Oh,
great.
I killed.
Play passive.
Okay. Let's do third party thing.
I think, yeah. Oh, the 8-bit's almost dead. Come on, you can kill the 8-bit. Yeah. I think, yeah, that's a showdown.
Let's go on.
Oh, the Daryl.
Missed the. We can kill the Daryl. We can kill the Daryl.
I think we can kill the Daryl.
Oh, 318 life. Okay, so the best Trophy Road is Ems. Okay, let's hop into rares. I think the best rare is Rosa. Okay.
So, Rosa with Grow Light and Plant Life is really good.
Yeah, I think we should hop into Brawl Ball now.
Sure, yeah. Brawl Ball, so I think I should take, let's see.
Okay.
I'll take Daryl.
Take Daryl. Yeah, we're calling Rotata, right?
Yep.
It's of no use till
Yeah.
loads up your super.
Yeah, at least you
Okay.
can choose enemy team, you have a power 7 Daryl.
Okay. Everybody has a star power except you.
Yeah, I have $29. It's a pain.
And 14,000 trophies.
Who?
Just give me a pass.
Yeah. Who has 14,000 trophies?
No, yeah, 15,000, right?
Yeah, 15,000. Oh, that's a good goal.
First goal. Okay.
You took Plant Life, right?
Yes.
Good. Because Plant Life is really good.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Hyper Bear.
Plus Bear Paws.
Plus Sandy plus Nita.
Yep, this is a pain.
Yes, I got it.
Oh, wait. Ooh, okay.
I shouldn't have given the Nita the pass.
Yeah.
What?
It's a complete
Still he
waste,
loaded up
so-
his super.
But
Killing that. Total waste of soup. Nice, nice. Go on, go on. I'm gonna control this. Oh, barely
okay, yeah.
missed it.
That was quite hard.
Okay, it's okay.
Yep, it's fine.
Still 1 minute 20 seconds left.
Should win this match.
Got it. Okay, they still have one
I
weapon
think you
left.
should give me a pass right now. Yeah.
One. Oh. Team wipe, team wipe, team wipe. Oh.
Yeah, I killed him. Oh, this is a good team.
Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah.
That El Primo killed the Sandy.
What's El Primo doing? Come on, El Primo, give me a pass.
Give me a.
Come on, El Primo.
Okay, let's
Wow.
start.
Wow, guys, random.
One more
teammates.
super. One more super. Yes.
Oh, okay. I think we should get the goal.
Eesh.
Oh, what? Wait.
El Primo goal. Oh.
Oh, okay. So we got
Okay.
the dub.
We are winning
Yep.
all the matches. Okay, 654. Okay, so hopping into super rares.
No, yeah, super rares, right? So
The best super
I think
rare
we know
is-
the best super rare. Who the best super rare is?
Jackie.
Obviously, Jackie. Well, Daryl was also in the competition, but see, the thing is, Daryl, it has a lot of weaknesses. But
Yes.
Jackie has very less weaknesses, more hit points, and more damage.
But my Jackie is power 4.
Oh, it's fine. Should I take Jackie? No, you can take Jackie.
Okay, I think you should take Bull now.
Bull? Okay, wait. Yeah, I'll take Bull.
Okay, so
Yep, let's start.
let's play Brawl Ball.
Yeah, let me go.
Okay, 4 out of 6.
So
Five
Jackie with her both Jackie's star powers are definitely S tier. They're really good, especially Hardy Hard Hat.
Okay, there's a Knight with Motus.
Yep.
Oh,
Hashtag
crushed.
free to play life.
Oh,
Wow.
But-
This El Primo just gave me a free pass to kill his dynamite teammate.
wait, what?
What is El Primo doing?
I don't know.
I think you should give me wait, no. I thought I would have distracted this BB. And yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, if you have a good notice. Oh, okay, I'm going down. Yeah, I think it's a goal. Yeah.
yes, we got the first goal.
Yeah, good dub.
Okay, but one problem, I wasted my super.
That's fine.
Abhi,
Wow. Here you go, that's a pass for you. And this one really quickly.
what? Yes, killed it.
Why did you kill? It's fine.
We won again. Okay.
Yep, that's an easy win again.
Okay. Now for the epics.
Yep. So
For the
I-
epics, we know the best brawler is Frank.
Frank is really good. He has a lot of hit points. Even with his punch start power, he's almost invincible. His power grab is just OP. So I think I should take Frank. I have power 9 Frank
Okay.
with
You take-
active noise cancelling.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what should I take? I think I should take BB. Another
yeah,
epic.
BB.
You have power 9 Frank, correct?
Yeah, power 9 Frank
Okay.
is pretty OP. Once I get sponge, well, it's almost impossible to kill me.
Okay. Lord is
We have
here.
another power 7 Frank, I think. This two. This one took it.
Oh! Take it. You can take the ball and score. Come on.
Oh, Tara Super. Oh.
Okay. It's okay.
It's pretty hard to dodge shots with Frank while you're attacking. Because you stop while attacking. So it really becomes really hard.
Uh-oh.
Yep, I'm going to kill the Frank. I think I'm
Oh.
Wow. Well, like Tara's not playing nicely.
What? Why am I missing? Oh, I can.
Oh, I think you should have taken Tara.
Oh, I missed it. Okay, I think you should help. Lord is here. Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh, yeah. My net was lagging.
Who has the ball? I killed the Leon.
Yeah, it's fine.
I think I should have taken Tara.
Ooh, oh my god, no.
It's okay. It's okay.
I don't know. Somehow I got my Frank to 20.
It's
Okay,
okay. Give me a
I'm
pass.
gonna give you a
Nice.
Oh wow! How did I miss that?
It's okay.
I'm going to use my active mass cancelling here. Not
Nice
going
one.
to
Nice
my
one.
Frank. I think
Ooh!
okay.
I'm just going to throw it. Okay, he's going to break the wall.
Yeah, we're gonna use that.
It's
And
okay.
I'm going to break him.
Okay.
I think you should give me a pass.
Okay. Goal.
Yep.
Nice.
That was kind of clutch, but yeah, that Frank is not a really good player.
Oh.
I'm going to use my active mass cancelling here. Yep.
Oh.
Ooh, I think
wait,
we
wait,
kill
wait.
this. Yeah. Give me a pass
Oh.
fast. Lord is here. Oh, come on.
Oh, still 14,
I think
13,
we're gonna win. I'm just
12,
going to do this.
11, 10,
Yep.
9, 8, 7.
Never spin too fast. Yeah, and that's a dub.
Oh.
That's a dub.
Okay.
So, in a nutshell, yep, of course, star player. Frank is
Okay.
really good.
Okay, guys. So next is Mythic, and I think the best Mythic is going to be Sprout.
Yeah, Sprout is nice. Well, you have Tropical Sprout there. Good brawler. So,
We are winning all the matches with the best brawlers from each rarity.
Yeah, of course. They're the
Okay.
best brawlers after all.
Yes. Okay.
I think I should take. Should I take Shelly?
Okay, take Shelly.
Yep. Or
Okay, take
Penny or Carl?
I think you should take
I have
Shelly.
some quests. Okay, I'll take Shelly.
Okay, Brawl Ball with Sprout.
I think we should play duo.
Um,
Sprout, right?
range.
Oh yeah, right.
There's no walls also.
Okay, yeah, let's play Brawl Ball.
Okay, my Sprout is still 5.
Yep.
Okay. Wow. Okay, there are
Well,
is
we
a
are all free
Jackie.
to play. Oh no. I was lagging.
Okay, there's a Jackie. Oh, you killed
Yeah,
the
I
Rosa. Okay, there is the Jackie. She's a power 8 Jackie, I think.
Yeah. Some strong
Okay.
Jackie.
Yes.
Ooh.
Where's the ball?
Oh.
Okay.
Wow, I'm lagging really hard.
Oh, I got killed by the Brock.
So overall, Sprout is pretty good. It's good in terms of damage, good in terms of range. His
And
two star
walls.
powers are really good. Yeah.
I trapped them. Yes. Nobody can break the wall. Except somebody.
One
can
more contestant can be Motus because Motus is also
Yes.
really good. The thing is, his reload speed is really slow. That's why we didn't really consider Motus here.
Oh. I think we should not.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a goal. Oh, I saved it.
Okay, I save. Okay,
I saved the goal.
I have to trap them.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I threw it.
That's nice.
Yes.
That's nice. You have a good teammate here, but she's dying constantly.
Super.
No.
Oh, it's okay. It's
Okay,
okay.
yeah.
Oh.
Oh, it's not a goal.
No.
Okay. That's just sheer luck. I think you should pass me the ball. Yeah, I'll try to do something here. Ooh. So, how's it going with Sprout so far?
It's great.
0-0. Sprout's a really good brawler.
Oh.
Don't get killed. Yeah. Oh, that's a good wall. But I don't know how I'm going to.
Oh, how?
The Brock. Super.
Oh, the Brock super. Ha. It's too hard with.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think
Well,
this
like
is going to be the
creating.
first match we're going to be losing. So.
Oh, I killed the Brock. I thought I was going to kill the people.
Come on, B. I just.
Where is the bee?
I broke the balls there. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's our first loss. Yep, definite loss.
Okay.
That was bad ball placement.
We were losing.
Yeah, anyways, we're gonna lose. So yeah.
We're losing.
Now, finally, guys, the last rarity. I think legendary, right? So
Yes. I think the best legendary is it's a from my opinion it's going to be Crow.
Crow, yeah. Crow's really strong.
Yeah. I think now we should play duo.
Yep, it's one of our favorite brawlers of
Yeah.
Thunders and mine.
Okay. When you have a power 10 Crow,
Yeah, I've gotten Crow.
I have a power 9 Crow.
Yep, it's fine.
And Crow's gadget is the best.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you going to take?
I don't know. I think Carl. Carl is fine.
Carl.
Or
Take
Penny.
Carl.
Or Penny. Penny.
Take Carl.
Okay, I'll take Carl.
Okay, flexing
Let's
with
play.
Hog Rider Carl.
Yep. Hogwarts Carl is a pretty good skill.
Okay, 6 out of 10. You got it in an offer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the last rarity.
So guys, if you're
Legendary.
liking the video so far, like and subscribe.
If you like my content,
Well, we're new to YouTube, so we could really use some support.
okay, so there's a bull and a penny.
Yeah.
A bunny penny and a barbarian king bull.
Yeah.
I think that bull has a quest. Why would someone take bull in this
duo,
map?
yeah. I also have a bull quest. Hello, fellow Hogwarts Carl. That's a power 10 Hogwarts Carl.
Oh,
I'm only power 6.
I think he has super throw. No, yes, I think he has.
Ooh, the damage.
Let's see if he rolls.
Ooh, I do around 100 damage less than him.
Do you do 740 damage?
Yep, 740. I have a power 6 Carl.
Okay. I have a power 10 card.
So Crow in the meta right now, I think.
Okay,
it's
I
pretty
told you. Okay. Oh.
good.
Sandwich.
Crow's super is really good. His gadget is one of the
Sandwich.
best.
I don't know where to go.
I think
Okay,
you jumped. You should have jumped.
Oh! I think we should play once more.
Okay, yeah.
I don't like the losses. Okay.
I think I'll play with Penny.
Okay, take Penny.
Penny or Shelly? No, I'll take Penny.
You take Penny. You have a power 7 Penny with
Yep.
pocket detonator.
Yep.
Okay.
Matchmake. Ooh.
Why would someone take bull in this map?
Yeah, it's a primarily a long range map.
And a dynamite.
Yeah. Dynamite is fine.
Oh, I did not see the bull.
I think we should have used defense.
I did not see the bull. Kill the dynamite. Okay, it's okay.
It's gonna be hard.
Because okay.
You should have used defense. You should have used the defense booster.
Already one team is down.
Wow. This map for second fall is one of the fastest.
1, 2.
Yep.
I was going to jump.
Okay, I think
the
I
dynamite.
should surround him.
Okay, surround.
Yeah, I'm gonna die. Okay, yeah. Ooh, I'm dead.
Okay, I can't take
Don't
Q.
think Baki will probably spawn
Why?
super.
Okay, the bull is going to spawn. It's no worries.
If he spawns a super on you, just please use defense booster, okay?
Okay.
Or else you're going to get killed. Most probably you're gonna get killed. Ooh,
Yes.
dead.
Uh-oh. We have to dodge the dynamite's
Yeah.
super and attacks. Okay.
Thunder is a dodging god.
I know.
He does nothing but dodge.
Okay, meteor. Wait. Why is the bull spawning so many times? Okay, now.
Only if I hit one shot, both of them will die.
Uh-oh.
Yup, I killed. Wow, team wipe.
Take one part, you. Okay. My super
Oh,
is just going to get it.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna drag two. It's a pretty impossible. Ooh,
Ooh.
a slice. Kill him.
No worries.
Don't wait, you might die.
I can dodge.
No, you should not have done that.
No, it's because of one hit I can die. See? I'm tired of dodging.
Ooh, the damage.
We will win. Don't worry. Just play passive.
I'm trying to do that, but this Piper's not leaving me alone. Don't
Oh,
jump. I told you not to jump.
Okay, she's going to die. She's going to
Just
die.
one more
She's
shot,
going
just
to...
one more. Ooh, just one shot, Thunder, come on.
Oh! Why? Oh! was a close
Ooh,
match.
that was pretty clutch.
We finally won.
Yep.
Okay guys, this is it for the video, and guys please like and subscribe if you
If you like the video, as I said before, we're just a new channel. So thanks guys. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.